Seafood kare-kare is a delightful and simplified twist on the traditional kare-kare, featuring a medley of fresh seafood immersed in a flavorful peanut sauce, offering a lighter yet equally satisfying rendition of this beloved Filipino dish. Let's start making annatto oil, the secret to that rich flavor and vibrant color of kare-kare. Using a saucepan, combine achiote and Baguio pure coconut oil. Let it simmer gently until the oil turns beautifully red. Achiote, also known as annatto or achiote, is a natural food coloring and flavoring derived from the seeds of the annatto tree. It is commonly used in Filipino and other cuisines to add a vibrant red-orange color to dishes, such as the kare-kare sauce, while also imparting a subtle earthy and slightly sweet flavor. Strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container to separate the annatto seeds from the oil. Time to introduce some succulent shrimps to the mix. Stir-fry them with garlic until they turn pink and plump, and then set them aside for later. Season it with salt and pepper. Let's prepare the mussels. In a pot of boiling water with onions, cook the mussels until they open up and become tender. Remember to reserve the seafood stock obtained from cooking the mussels. This flavorful liquid can be a great addition to the kare-kare sauce, bringing an extra depth of seafood flavor to the dish. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the kare-kare sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, and saute until fragrant and golden. Add the peanut butter and water. Once the peanut butter and water have been thoroughly blended, it's time to incorporate the reserved seafood stock. Gradually add the stock to the mixture, whisking continuously to achieve a smooth and well-combined sauce. After adding the seafood stock, allow the mixture to simmer over low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. This gentle simmering process helps to concentrate the flavors and allows the sauce to develop a rich and well-rounded taste. As the sauce simmers, continue to stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Mix rice flour and water together until well combined. Ensure that there are no lumps of flour remaining before adding it to the sauce. Once added, continue whisking the sauce until the rice flour is fully incorporated and the sauce becomes smooth and thickened to your desired consistency. Once you have reached the desired consistency of the kare-kare sauce, it's time to add the annatto oil. gradually pour in the annatto oil while continuing to whisk the sauce. Add just enough annatto oil to achieve the vibrant and appetizing color of kare-kare. Be mindful not to add too much oil to maintain the balance of flavors and prevent the sauce from becoming overly oily. Next, it's time to add the sugar to the kare-kare sauce. The sugar will balance the flavors and add a touch of sweetness. Additionally, season the kare-kare sauce with fish sauce, salt, and pepper according to your taste preferences. Adjust the seasoning as needed, ensuring a harmonious blend of savory, sweet, and salty flavors in the sauce. Continue to stir and taste until you achieve the perfect balance that suits your palate. Let's get those vibrant vegetables ready. Blanch some petchay and sitaw until they're perfectly tender. After blanching the vegetables, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. Season the squid with salt and pepper to enhance the flavor. Grill the squid and eggplant until they achieve a delightful charred flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. When serving your seafood kare-kare, don't forget to include a side dish of bagoong. This savory condiment adds an extra layer of flavor to the dish, complementing the rich and creamy kare-kare sauce. And there you have it! A tantalizing plate of easy and fresh seafood kare-kare, ready to impress your taste buds.